understand the importance of why we map product types to classes in Retail Orbit, let's go ahead and go over the how. So if you are logged into your Shopify store and you're in the Retail Orbit app, you go right over here and click on Plan on the left-hand side, and you'll come into mapping your product types to classes is going to be one of the first things you do. Step 1, right at the top here, very easy. You can literally, on the left-hand side, see all of the various product types that are part of your Shopify store, and you can easily drag any one of them into these pre-assigned categories and classes that we've set up for you on the right-hand side. The default is to look at all of them right off the bat, or you can click right into apparel, accessories, we have footwear. Now, if you don't see a category that applies to the product types in your store, you're more than welcome to go over here and click plus category. Let's go ahead and type in something like home goods. Hit enter. And automatically an error comes up saying, well, hold on, you don't have a class to go with that. So we're going to go right here and hit new class. It pops up right there with the category already in place. And you're just going to click edit class name, and let's type in something along the lines of, how about kitchen? We'll call it kitchen items. Hit enter, and there you go. So let's actually start dragging some of these in. If you want to do it, viewing all of your categories together, you can. Sometimes it's easier to go category by category though. So for example, let's say, we'll start with apparel. You go here right on the right hand side, and let's say you have sweaters right here. We're just going to drag that right into women's sweaters. And you'll see that it's in there. It is no longer going to be on this right hand side. You can see right here that number dropped from 94 to 93. Now let's say you might have a couple of other sweater types. You can view these by percentage or alphabetically. But let's say you want to actually search. I'm going to type in, there might be some other random sweater items. I'm going to type in sweater. Whoops. So right there, we also have another random product type that is all caps, sweater. Let's go ahead and we'll drag that in there as well. You can also see sweatshirts. You don't need to do it one by one. You can click these items and actually pull in. We'll scroll down to sweatshirts. And right away they're there. Now we'll go back and we'll clear out this search bar so we can look at some of our other items. Let's go with serveware. That could be part of your home goods. Maybe it's a kitchen item. We'll drop it right in there. Now, at any point in time, if you make a mistake and you didn't want to drag something where you thought you needed it to go ahead and just click that X button, and automatically that product type goes right back into this list on the right. So it really gives you the flexibility to move product types around until you're absolutely set on where you want them to go. And when you're done, you're going to hit next down here in the bottom right, review and confirm. But let's say, I understand retailers have a very important life. Let's say you're not quite ready to do all 94 product types. No problem. Just go ahead and click Save Changes, and it'll save it up to that point. It'll only save, just so you're clear, it'll only save to this specific browser. So if you do this step, for example, at a computer in your business, and then you try to go home and continue, it won't continue from the same spot. So you have to do it from the same computer. But once you have all 94 of these in place, or however many product types you have in your store, then you're in business.